Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to increase or how to zoom in your timeline screen or preview. Okay, you can see here, we can normally set click here, then select uh, fit option to fit the screen with that size. Otherwise, you can choose 6.25 to 300 and 100% the actual size. Okay, so how to increase the zoom to on your picture or video? It is, you can see here, now it is a picture, and you can simply use your mouse wheel from here. Okay, your mouse pointer must be on the preview, then use your mouse wheel, so it will be like this. You can see here it is moving. Okay, also you can downward, you can zoom out, then it will be go like this. Then you can simply fit the screen, come here. Okay, then click here, fit. Now it is 35% and fit to screen. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.